Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. In this video we are going to be trying out the Biostrate, and as you can see it has the instructions on it. It's basically 9 inches by 120 feet, so it's 9 inches in width and 120 feet in length. There's a nursery out there, right? But that's pure light. So we're going to basically follow the instructions and I'm going to keep it inside here in the office, right? Somewhere maybe on the floor or somewhere until they have germinated. Then I bring them outside in the nursery. So these are the 2 trays that I'm going to use. So I'm going to basically cut the Biostrate to fit in the seed trays right there. So this is what it looks like inside the tray. It fits perfectly into the tray. So what we're going to do now is we're going to basically moisten the Biostrate, right? So it's either I'm going to dip this in water, then let it drain, or I'm going to use a bottle and basically mist it. So let me get a bottle and mist it. I'll be back. Right, so I have a bottle filled with water, so I'm just going to basically mist the Biostrate now. Alright, I'm wetting it down. What I'm going to do now is basically just going to put the seeds on it. No, right? Just going to sprinkle the seeds on it and then use another tray to cover over. And then I'm going to put it somewhere there, maybe under there. Right? Then when they germinate, I take them and put them out in the nursery. I'll be back. So I'm using topsoil and Mizuna, right? And sprinkle. So that's the topsoil. Put that right there. Then we have the Mizuna, right? Right. Right, so that's the topsoil, that's the Mizuna. So what I'm going to do now is they said that you're supposed to mist the seeds, right? So I'm going to give the seeds a mist, right? Water is finishing. I'm going to have to get some water. Let me get some water and come back. Right, so I'm back. Misting the seeds. It's always good to read the labels before you start to do anything. Alright? I'm giving the seeds a nice little mist. Alright? And then I'm finished now. I'm going to use these 2 trays to cover it. So let me move the topsoil first. Alright, where am I going to put it? So as I said, I'm going to put it right under here. Right under there. So I'm going to put the topsoil right here. Right? I'm going to put the Mizuna right here. Right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them, right? So I cover them like that with another tray, right? Same size, same everything. I'm going to cover them, right? Cover them like that, and that's it. So I'll be checking these on a daily basis. The Biostrate basically seems to absorb a lot of water, so I know that they won't be short of water for a very long time. So maybe I won't even have to water these again or miss them again until I've taken them out into the growth area or the seed house. So let us continue to watch that. I followed all the instructions. But one thing we need to do now is we need to do what? Tell me. Tell me. We need to label. Right? 2 books. Right? Like that. So there we have it. We set the tots on the Mizuno on the Biostrate, and now we're going to observe to see how they grow. Right? Hello everyone. Welcome back. So today is the next day. So I set the seeds yesterday. So I just want to basically go and check them now to see if they have started to sprout. But this is basically what the tropical storm Fred that is causing a lot of rain in Turks and Caicos Islands right now. So some of the road is well, parts of the road is blocked off. As you can see here, a lot of water, right? So I'm trying to even see if I can reach home. See if I can reach home before the rain come down again, because as you can see in the sky. But I'm going to try and see if I can reach the farm to see if I can get a little update and to see exactly what is going on. So I'll meet you there. There's a lot of water, so I have to take off my shoes. Okay, so let's take a look at them. This is the topsoil. So let's take a look at the topsoil. The topsoil, most of them have sprouted, germinated, as you can see. Right, isn't that beautiful? So by tomorrow, we should have some more, like most of them, if not all, germinate. So I'm going to put back the cover on it. Right, so I'm happy I was able to come in spite of the heavy rain. So far, let's look at the Mizuno now. Wow, look at this. We have an even higher percentage of germination so far in the, well, with the Mizuno. Right, look at that. Just a small, maybe about 5% left to germinate, and you know that not all the seeds will germinate, right? So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm not going to take this out until maybe tomorrow, right? But as you can see, this is 1 day, right? This is 1 day, and this is basically the how they have germinated in 1 day. And then feeling the mat. The mat is pretty moist as well, so we don't need to add any water to this. If you have any questions, just please put them in the comments area. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to put back the cover on top of it, and I'll see you again in another update. Bye bye.